Baby, where's the dog? Wow, dog. Baby, again, where's the dog? Yay, dog. Where's the cat? Cat. Yay, cat. Where's the cat? Yay. Where is the frog? Frog. No, frog. Frog. Diba ito? Oh, where's the frog again? Oh, again, no. Ulitin natin, no. Where's the frog? Oo. Yan. Oh, here's the bird and the frog. Now, tell me, where's the bird? Bird. 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 Oo, yung bird. Where's the bird? Where's the bird? Ah, okay. Ito yung sheep. Ito yung elephant. Where's the elephant? Elephant. Ah, okay. Very good. Oh, again. Where's the elephant? Elephant. Elephant. Where's the elephant? Saan yung elephant, baby? Ito o ito? Yung elephant. Nasaan yung elephant? Saan yung elephant dito? Psst, psst. Saan yung elephant? Shh. Saan yung elephant daw? Diba yung kulay? Gray? Saan dito yung elephant? Ah, okay. Very good. Oh, nasaan dito yung sheep? Sheep. Sheep. Asan yung sheep? Saan dito sa dalawa? Ah, tama. Wow. Baby, sheep. Oh, ito yung pig and cow. Saan dito yung pig? Pig. Pig. Where's the pig? Pig. Where's the pig? Sigurado ka. Ulitin natin. Oh, pig and cow. Cow to. Ito yung pig. Oo, nasaan yung pig? Ito yung pig, oh. Oh, ito yung cow. Oh, baby, nasaan dito yung pig? Ulitin natin. Sabit ko sa kabila. Oh, saan dito yung pig? Saan dito yung pig? Pig. Saan yung pig? O, tandaan mo to ulit, ha? Ulitin natin para lang muna. Nasaan yung pig? O, ito. Ito yung cow. O, asan dito yung cow? Nyek. Pig yan. Hindi mo pa alam yung pig and cow? O, itong ano, yung favorite mo. Nasaan dito yung dog? Wow. Alam mo lang si Poppy. O, kabit ko sa kabila. O, yung dog again. Yung dog. O, where's the dog? O, here's the dog. Dog. Okay. O, close open daw. Asan yung close open? Close open. Close open. Offer tayo, baby. Appear. Appear. O, ayan, align. Yung align mo. Nasaan na yung align mo? Saan yung align? Di ba ito? Oo, ito. Oo, ito yung align. O, mano ka. Bless ka. Bless, baby, bless. Boss, open na lang ulit. Boss, ay, wow! Galing. Open tayo. Yay! Ba.